No teeth, no speed, no brain, but they outlasted the dinosaurs. Meet the silent masters of the deep. They look like forgotten shadows on the ocean floor, soft, slow, and almost too simple to matter. If you're diving, you might swim right past them, without a second glance. While silver schools of fish flash by in rhythmic streaks, and apex predators patrol with precision, these creatures just lie there. No speed, no armor, no drama, just a quiet existence in the sand. But here's the thing, if you could actually pause the ocean and ask which animal quietly keeps the seafloor alive, sea cucumbers would be right at the top of that list. They are the unsung engineers of the deep. And honestly, their biological tech is far more advanced than it looks. First, let's clear up a common misconception. Despite their name, they aren't plants. Sea cucumbers belong to the class Holothuriidea. They are proud members of the echinoderm family, which means they share an ancient lineage with starfish and sea urchins. Now, I know what you're thinking. Starfish have a clear 5-point shape, and urchins are covered in defensive spikes. Our friend the sea cucumber has neither. No spines, no star shape, no hard shell. So, where is the family resemblance? The secret is under the skin. They use the exact same water vascular system as their cousins, a sophisticated hydraulic network powered by seawater pressure. It's biology engineered like high-end plumbing. Instead of using muscles the way we do, they move using fluid mechanics. This system allows them to stay incredibly flexible. Unlike their rigid relatives, sea cucumbers traded armor for flexibility. They don't have a solid outer skeleton. Instead of a solid skeleton, their skin contains tiny skeletal pieces called ossicles, microscopic support structures, enough to keep their shape, but soft enough to squeeze into tight spaces or flatten against the seabed. Simple, but smart. They don't have a centralized brain either. No command center. Instead, a ring of nerves surrounds the mouth and connects to a network that senses light, touch, and chemicals. It's decentralized, basic, yet effective. And it has worked for a very long time. Echinoderms have survived for over 450 million years, outlasting multiple mass extinctions. Today, more than 1,700 species of sea cucumbers exist. Some are just a few centimeters long. Others stretch close to 2 meters. Some blend into the sand. Others glow pink, purple, or even translucent in the deep sea. They live almost everywhere: coral reefs, polar waters, abyssal plains, even the deepest trenches. Most stay on or near the ocean floor, slowly crossing sand, mud, or rock. Their movement is subtle but fascinating. Rows of tube feet line their undersides. By shifting internal water pressure, they extend and retract these tiny limbs. It's biological hydraulics in action. Some barely move during the day. Others slowly travel measurable distances over weeks. A few deep-sea species can even swim, lifting off the seabed in ghost-like pulses when disturbed. But here's where things get interesting. Sea cucumbers are living vacuum cleaners of the ocean floor. They feed by swallowing sediment, sand and mud mixed with algae, bacteria, and decaying organic material. With tentacles around their mouths, they scoop it up and ingest it. Inside, nutrients are extracted. What comes out is cleaner, oxygen-rich sediment. If that sounds familiar, it should. On land, earthworms improve soil. In the ocean, sea cucumbers do something remarkably similar. They recycle nutrients, prevent organic buildup, and stabilize chemical conditions. Some reef species even release calcium carbonate during digestion, helping buffer acidity in local waters. In an era of ocean acidification, that role matters more than ever. Their reproduction is just as intriguing. Many species reproduce through external fertilization. During synchronized spawning events, they release eggs and sperm into the water. The larvae drift before settling and transforming into juveniles. Others release sticky Cuvierian tubules that entangle attackers, sometimes delivering toxins. Humans have valued sea cucumbers for centuries. In parts of Asia, dried sea cucumbers are a delicacy. They're also used in traditional medicine and modern supplements. But high demand has consequences. Sometimes the most powerful forces in nature are soft and slow. Stay curious. See you on Amazing Nearby.